and it has kept the youth well engaged so that they are not intermingled with other activities in our environment that are crime in nature. So we are very happy, and we know this has helped the district to solve its challenges of supporting the youth or the community in terms of sports activities, in terms of football, jazzes.
It is to promote youth talent development and sports development in the district. All the sub-counties in the district have participated, and we have 16 final teams for men and 8 final teams for women. And today we kick off with an opening match between for 2 women teams and also for 2 male teams. So we have these 24 games, 24 teams going to play from now up to 20th May, and we shall have winners. So we are doing this so that we can promote youth development in Buliisa and also have sportsmen and sportswomen in Buliisa. We are looking at promoting teams like Boivo FC, Leopards FC that is actually moving on to other divisions. So we are really looking at all these other, apart from oil and gas that we are doing, we are also partnering with communities.
Team will be also Maria FC, that is the male team.